Entry number 47, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. School Head, President, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kyla A. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kyla A. Inciso. Corps Commander, Cadet Major Randy D. Albano. Corps S1, Cadet Major John Lexer P. Cañete. Corps S2, Cadet Major John Luis Babilonia. Corps S3, Cadet Major John Cedric Mostaza. Corps S4, Cadet Major Efren James M. Cambre. Corps S7, Major Leader Yasmin Yesta. Band Leader Abu B. and Khalid. Captain Commander, Cadet First Lieutenant Christian J. Angeliltes. Captain Echo, Cadet First Lieutenant Princess ICA Cortez. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Jose Carlo B. Castro. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Clarida M. Desmado. CAE Facilitator, Lieutenant Colonel Arnel D. Fabriaga, OSGSC Philippine Army. Bank Advisor, Benjamin Villanueva. Major Trainer, Emma Credo. Bank Master Trainer, Venrix Quinones P. Hermogedo. Entry number 47, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Naga City. Thank you. Entry number 47, Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Next entry.